Cool, Samik. So congratulations on getting into the final. What is the plan going into the game?
Obviously, we knew we came here. We knew we wanted to win the game, but unfortunately we couldn't win. But we tried, we knew we had the upper hand in the first leg, but we didn't take the game easy, because they're a very difficult team to play against at home. And yeah, we conceded the early goal in not the early goal, the red card in the game, which is a bit unfortunate for us early in the game. But all credit to our defense, excellent. The whole team, they fought, and this is character, a man down to give heart and fight, and we deserve to be here.
So, Samik, second time in the finals. How does it feel? What's the feeling right now in the dressing room?
Yeah, obviously, we don't want to get. We are very happy, but we don't want to get too excited because we know there's one more hurdle waiting for us ahead in Kochi, and it's going to be very tough match there. We'll see who's our opponent, and we'll prepare for that match.
So, high possibility of Kerala coming in there, especially with the home game in Kerala. Any thoughts?
It doesn't matter which team. All four teams in the semi-final was excellent. Very strong teams. All the teams deserve to be in the final, but unfortunately, this is football, and only two teams can go to the final, and also in the final there can only be one winner. So it's going to be very tough. All four teams did an excellent job. Just a bit unfortunate in our game also. The last scenario, which is very disappointing, especially for a high quality league like this, for the ISL, for the Indian Super League, for the supporters, and especially for the young kids watching. It's very bad for this thing to happen. No problem, sometimes you have to lose and take the lose, but very unselfish play from the guys, whoever it was in the mix-up with the fight, because it's not nice for kids, especially if you are a role model to show this kind of character,
So, any word on the crowd support here? Considering it was an away game, you had a strong support in there.
Obviously, the people came to support us here in Mumbai. Last year, they support us the same. So we appreciate the support from all our supporters, and even in Kolkata, So we always want to try to repay them for their efforts, for coming out, for supporting the team, and we'll try and fight. We'll try and fight for everything, and yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.